Welcome back to a new card making video. Today I'm playing with Distress Oxide inks. I'm working on a glass plate and I squish the ink onto my surface. I'm using watercolor paper. I'm creating 3 backgrounds all at once so I can save them for later for another card. I don't have this on camera, but I dry every layer before I go in with the next one. I use my heat tool for that. What I also do to create more texture is while I'm heating the backgrounds, I sprinkle some water onto them. Another way to add some interesting texture with the Oxide inks is to use the jelly plate. I'm using the mini round jelly plate today and I don't press too hard onto the card because I don't want to get the whole circle on my background. I just press a little to get these dots transferred to my paper. When my backgrounds are dry, I pick one of them and use a stencil. This one is from STAMPlorations and spritz some water through it. This will reactivate the ink and you get a nice impression of the stenciled image onto your card. This has a soft look just like a watermark. For kind of a mixed media style, I'm using a little bit of white gesso. I've picked one of the Trendy flower dies from STAMPlorations and cut it out from my background, and I also cut it from some glitter cardstock. I add some glittery washi tape to the right side of my card base. I'm using some extra glue because I don't trust the washi tape. I make some marks on my card base where the flower will be and adhere some double-sided tape to it. I take the pieces of the flowers apart and stick the glittery one into my cutout one onto the double-sided tape. I use a black fine liner and draw my own stamps and leaves. I'm writing the word happy that will match with the birthday die cut that I will add to the card. I finally will not use this one that is laying on my desk at the moment. I will cut a new one from the same glittery paper that I've used with the flowers. Here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I hope we see us next time. Bye!